Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment if you like, and click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. All right, today we have blueberry cookies. Alrighty, in the bowl I have 1 cup of butter. To that, I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of salt. And looks like I've already also added a cup of sugar. Then I'm just going to cream these ingredients together. Then we want to add 2 tablespoons of lemon zest. And then we want to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And finally, we want to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then add 1 cup of blueberries that I nuked in the microwave. And now I'm mixing in on high for about, I'd say 1 minute. And then you want to add, and this is an odd measurement, 2 cups plus 4 tablespoons of flour. Now we're adding the dry ingredients. You don't have to add it a bit at a time. You can just add it all at once. And then you also want to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and a teaspoon of baking powder. And then you just want to give that a good mix around. Kind of slap in the bowl as it mixes to make sure everything is incorporated. And then you want to add 1 cup of white chocolate chips. And then you just want to give this on the lowest possible speed, just a few twirls around. Then you want to let this dough kind of chill out in the fridge. Cover it and let it chill out in the fridge for an hour. Roll the cookies into balls and bake in a 350-degree oven. All right, as you can see, I've got a cookie crumbled in a bowl. I'm going to add about 3 scoops of ice cream to said bowl. Take another cookie and crumble it on top. Add some sprinkles on top. And that's that. Blueberry cookies. Done.